last house for the day. Corridor is much better lit than the ground floor corridors, so I like it. Keep going further. This is the third floor, by the way. The view from one of the balconies, the view from the other thing, much better, yeah, much better. Let's go in. This is flat number 321. Again, there is a wall right over here. As soon as you get in, this is the hall. Again, oddly shaped, unfortunately. So this is the sliding door over here. But यहाँ से view is directly into the other person's window. So I'm sure you will not like it. Directly, and that's how big the entire hall is. Again, there's that wall there which causes a little bit of obstruction. I'm standing at the balcony door right now, and that's the length of the place, and that's the breadth of the place. There's a small sink over there. Sliding door, not cool at all. Then you come inside, there is a kitchen over here and a small washing machine area. Again, the view not impressive. You can directly just look at the building over here, which will be pissing off. Then you come inside. That's bedroom number 1. Again, space, area, all wasted because of this bloody bathroom. And this is now I'm standing at that window. From this window, you can't see too much. There are like a bunch of coconut trees, etc. And I'm not very sure whose land that is. Doesn't look these guys' land, like these guys' land. So, but anyway, I mean it's okay. It's not too flabbergasting. And this is the breadth of the place. I'm standing at the wall, and so there you go. And it also has an attached bathroom. I don't know why there are so many bathrooms in this place, honestly. You come out of this into bedroom number 2. So there's another wall over here. And this is how big the bedroom is. So I'm standing at the door currently. I'm walking along the wall, and you can see this. And there is another bathroom over here. So let's get into the bathroom. That's how big this is. And the view from here is the same as the other one. You can see some random shit over here, some coconut trees, etc. outside of the thing. And it also has a final balcony where you can just come, and so there is a building right opposite to this.
And
But on the other side you can.
Proposed one is for clubhouse.
Okay, so apparently that building over there,
which is under left out.
That one is supposed to be the clubhouse. So maybe things are gonna look up that side as well. So I guess that's it.
So usually you would be property.
I guess that's it from me. Nothing else from here. Now you need to make a choice. I find all these walls over here a little annoying, because I would like to look from the door into the entire breadth and length of the room. But these guys have somehow added walls at very wrong places for some reason. But generally I think it's okay. I mean, ठीक है, I guess area will develop, and the lawn and all seem nice. So let's see what happens. Chalo, later you just pick one of them or whatever. You talk, have a talk with dad. So their personal preference is 012. If you're okay with the house design of all these flats, then I suggest you go ahead and take that since you're just looking at it as an investment. And if you want better house design, then I suggest that you not go for this apartment thing at all. You'd rather look at better houses. Okay, chalo, I'll sign off later. Bye bye.